welcome to today's video. So guys, today we're going to be looking at changing momentum, a few practice problems, right? We're gonna start with number 5. So they say a 2 kg trolley increases its velocity from 3 meters per second to 7 meters per second. So let's say there's our trolley, right? There's our trolley. I'm just gonna do it like this. Okay, I'm sorry, let me do this. This is the trolley right here. At first, it's going, let's just assume it's going to the right. It's going to the right with what? 3 meters per second, right? Then, after a few seconds, this is still our trolley, right? It's still going to the right, but now it's going with what? 7 meters per second. So, you are asked to calculate what? The change in momentum. Remember, change in momentum, it's represented by delta P, is going to be what? Final momentum minus initial momentum. What is our final momentum? It's going to be mass times final velocity multiplied by mass times initial velocity. What is the mass of the trolley? The mass is 2 kilograms multiplied by what? What is the final velocity? It starts at 3 meters per second, then it goes to 7 meters per second. So the final velocity is going to be 7 meters per second. Then minus, what is the mass? It's still 2 kilograms multiplied by what? 3 meters per second. I'm sorry for the pause. This is how you calculate the what? The change in momentum. 2 multiplied by 7 is 14. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6 minus 6. 14 minus 6 is 8 kilograms meters per second. This is how we do the what? The number 5. I would suggest you pause, then you try number 6 before we actually do it together. Let me raise number 5. I hope you're trying number 6 by yourself. Okay, now looking at number 6, they're saying what? A 1 kilogram ball moving at 10 meters per second hits a wall and rebounds at 6 meters per second. Calculate the change in momentum. Remember I told you that we're going to say going to the right, it's positive, then obvious to the left is negative. That's just our convention, guys. You can use it the way you want. You can just say right, it's negative, left is positive. But the way we're going to be doing our problems, right will be positive, then left will be negative. Then, this is our ball, right? It's going to the right. We're going to assume it's going to the right with what? 10 meters per second. It weighs 1 kg. Then it hits a wall. Let's say this is our wall. It hits the wall. Then it goes in the opposite direction because it rebounds with what? 6 meters per second. 6 meters per second. But the ball still weighs 1 kilogram. So, they say calculate the change in momentum. So, change in momentum, we already know, represented by delta P is equal to what? Mass multiplied by final velocity minus mass multiplied by initial velocity. So, what is our mass? Our mass is 1 kg. The ball is initially going where? To the right. So it means our 10 meters per second is positive. Minus mass, which is 1 kilogram. Then, for the final, the ball is going what? To the left. So it's going to be what? Negative 6 what? Kilogram. Negative 6 meters per second, I'm sorry. Then you're going to have 10. Negative multiplied by negative is going to be positive 6, which will be what? 16 kilograms meters per second. This is how you'd calculate this one. I hope you understand. And if you don't understand, please try it yourself and then come back to watch the video or comment down in the section where you need help with. Then we're going to what? Number 7. Number 7 says, a 1,200 kilogram car slows down from 25 meters per second to what? 5 meters per second. Determine the change in momentum. We have a car. Let's say this is our car. It's going what? It's going to the left. Right now, let's assume it's going to the left. With what? 25. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. I'm going to assume it's going to the right because it's easy to go in that side. It's going to the right with what? 25 meters per second. Then it slows down. Still going to the right, but now it's going slower. With what? 5 meters per second. They're saying determine the change in momentum. So, if you know, we're going to say what? Change in momentum is equal to what? Final momentum minus initial momentum, which is mass, multiplied by final velocity, minus mass multiplied by initial velocity. What is the mass? The mass is 1200. What is the final velocity? The final velocity is going to be what? 5. The final velocity will be 5. Then we're going to say mass, which is still what? 1200 multiplied by what? The initial velocity, which is 25. We're going to say 1200 multiplied by 5. It's 1200 multiplied by 5, which is 6000, minus 1200 minus multiplied by 25, I'm sorry, which is 30,000. 6,000 minus 30,000, it will be what? Negative 24,000 kilograms meters per second. So you can just write it as 24,000 kilograms meters per second left, because it's what? It's negative. I hope you guys understand and you know how to solve this type of problems. Please subscribe and like and comment down below on where you are stuck or what you can do to improve the videos. Thank you.